Now, Chief Meteorologist Brian Davis and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
Winter storm warning continues tonight, and our weather headlines calling for blowing and drifting snow. Dangerous cold continues with wind chill numbers 20 to 30 degrees below zero, maybe even as cold as 35 below, and still frigid on Saturday, windy and still frigid into Christmas Eve. So if you're heading to evening services, you're going to need to really bundle up for that. The winds ease off a little bit on Christmas, but it's still going to be windy and still quite cold, only getting up into the teens after morning lows in the single digits. But we'll get a little sunshine back, and any kind of a break in the wind, we'll take it. Weather checker snowfall, John Kingham, Tip City, 4 inches. Now, these are estimates. John even's going, generally around 3 to 4, maybe 5. So we'll just kind of average it out there and go with 4. David Wessler, New Paris, 2 inches. There was a little bit less in the eastern or the western counties. Seems like the more intense snowfall rates were from Cincinnati up here into the Dayton area. Barbara Richards, 4 inches in Kettering. Jim Robbins, 5 inches in Beaver Creek. 4 inches reported over in Jamestown by the Lowsteaders. So 2.7 officially out of Dayton International Airport. 9 degrees below zero is what we dropped down to this morning. That broke the old record of 8 below set back in 1960. And the winter storm warnings, these are the areas you probably don't want to travel at all here over the next 24 hours. North and west of us up into Michigan, blizzard warnings, western lower Michigan, northern lower Michigan, northwest Indiana. Also up in the snow belt of northeast Ohio into Erie, Pennsylvania, western New York State. Earlier today, Buffalo getting gusts up around 60 to 70 miles per hour, along with heavy snow falling. So the winter storm warning continues for us until 7 a.m. Dangerous travel out there. Blowing and drifting snow will be the main culprits. 40 to 45 on the wind gusts, maybe some 50-mile-an-hour gusts early tonight in our northern counties. You can see the forecast wind gusts here still running up about upper 30s south to mid to upper 40s for the wind speeds in the northern part of the Miami Valley. And heading towards Saturday morning, still gusting 35 to 40 miles per hour. And finally, Saturday afternoon, starting to back off more toward the low 30s. But even on Christmas Day, during the night, you're going to see gusts still around 30. And then on Christmas Day, finally backing off more 20 to 25 miles per hour. Wind chill numbers tonight running around 30, 35 below early. And then those numbers start to back off as temperatures climb slightly later tonight. And also the wind speeds decrease a little bit, but still dangerously cold out there with wind chills into Christmas Eve still hanging around 10 degrees below zero because of the frigid temperatures and the wind and the wind chill numbers so low. Wind chill warning in effect until 7 a.m. Saturday. We'll go to a wind chill advisory after that. Melissa will have more on that for you tomorrow morning. Live Doppler 2 HD. We're looking at dry weather now, but still some of that blowing and drifting snow in the air, and still could be a few snow flurries too, but nothing of any major consequence here for additional accumulation. Temperatures tonight just going to hang around 0 to 5 below, as I mentioned there, with highs tomorrow finally upper single digits to close to 10 degrees as we get to the afternoon hours, and won't drop off a whole lot tomorrow night, about 0 to 5, and then highs on Sunday getting up into the low teens north and mid to upper teens over the southern part of the Miami Valley. Right now we're at 3 below zero, winds still 23 miles per hour. That's producing a wind chill factor of 27 degrees below zero. And the air temperatures have yet to hit zero, although Oxford's close at 1 below zero, but 5 below at Richmond, 4 below Minster, Wapakoneta, Bell Fountain over towards Xenia. The future track forecast map, we'll just see some of those clouds, fairly thin low-level clouds around because it is a very dry air mass since it's Arctic air. Not a lot of moisture out there, but still could be a few flurries from time to time. But we'll see some sunshine mixed in with the clouds too. Bitterly cold tonight, a few flurries with near steady temperatures, blowing and drifting snow, gusts to 45. Mixed clouds and sunshine tomorrow, windy and very cold, slight chance of flurries, still the blowing and drifting snow getting up to 8 degrees. Christmas Day looks dry, 3 in the morning, high 15, mostly sunny and frigid, partly to mostly sunny, and then back to some snow showers on Monday. And then check out the warm-up. The snow's not going to be on the ground for too long. Not as cold Wednesday, 48, and into the 50s Thursday and Friday with a chance of showers.